Directed by Rajkumar Hirani. The time duration of this movie is 2 hours and 50 minutes. In this movie, the main three characters are Ranso, Bharan, and Raji. The story is mainly focused in Ranso, an intelligent boy who doesn't study for only marks but for knowledge. The movie sends a powerful message about our education system, in which only marks matter, not our skill and knowledge. Rancho always gives suggestion to his friend to follow their passion. One of the best lessons of this movie is don't follow success, but follow excellence. If you follow the excellence, success will automatically follow you. This line is really an inspiration to the youth. What makes Created a perfect movie is its mix of comedy, emotion, and life lesson. The friendship between the three main characters is heart-touching, and one more thing great about this movie is its song like All Is Well and Give Me Some Sunshine. This movie is not just a movie, it is an inspiration. That's why it is always a very best movie. Thank you.